Rebuilding gearboxes with Gear World. In this video, we're going to be rebuilding a Hansen gearbox. If you like our videos, please smash that like and subscribe button and we'll keep them coming right at you. One of the major causes for gearbox failure is not maintaining the oil. When we disassemble this gearbox, we're going to show you exactly why it's important to keep the oil maintained. When oil loses viscosity, it'll cause seals to break and oil to leak out of your gearbox. This is exactly what has happened here. This is the top view of the gearbox where you can see where the oil has blackened, all viscosity is lost, and this causes the gears to grind, chip, and pit as you can see here. We have a worn bearing and a worn pinion. Here's a closer look at the main helical gear of this gearbox. You can see where all the pitting is taking place on the teeth. This is what we call catastrophic bearing failure. The bearing has completely been destroyed because the viscosity in the oil was lost, and it caused a lot of friction, and this bearing casing was ripped apart and all the bearing pieces fell out. Not changing oil on a regular basis creates a domino effect. In this case, it also damaged the housing, which now needs to be line bored. As you can see here, the ring seals have also been worn out and the bearing housing is now out of round. Even the couplers and the spacers in this gearbox were completely damaged and unusable. Two convenient shop locations in Houston, Texas and Chicago, Illinois. We're able to refabricate all the broken parts in this gearbox, including all helical gears, all the bearings, all the shafts and pinions. As you can see here, we're able to reverse engineer and cut everything in-house, which gives us faster turnaround times than our competition. There's no gear size too small or gear size too large that we can't cut. Gear World is literally your one-stop shop for gearbox repair. This newly remanufactured pinion and the upcoming helical gear you're about to see are excellent quality examples of the work that we do here at Gear World. After all the gears are cut and heat treated, they're sent back to our installation facility where they are properly installed and tested before we get them ready for shipment back to our client. This is the final rebuild, and that's how it's done.